Guys, it's Shundara. What is up, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, I am going to be telling you guys my top 5 favorite Inkey List products. These are sort of the hidden gems in the Inkey List product line that I really think you should be hip to. I've talked about a few on the channel, but I just want to put a favorites together just in case I never get to review these products on the channel. No, people say the Inkey List and the Ordinary are sort of interchangeable companies, but I think these products here really shine with the Inkey List. First one being the turmeric moisturizer. I truly love this moisturizer. Not only is it hydrating, but it gives you a really bright glow, and a little bit goes a long way. I personally feel that this too will last you a good 3 months, depending on if you're putting a pea size amount. Normally what I like to do is use my thermal mist, and then I apply just the pea size of this moisturizer, and I can tell you it gives me a lot of hydration. I notice when I apply too much, I get product buildup with this moisturizer. I've noticed that my skin with this moisturizer is very glowy, very dewy. I also noticed that my tone has really brightened up a lot with this moisturizer. And I did review this moisturizer. I told you guys, imagine putting this together with a turmeric facial mask. Well, you know I did that, and oh my god, Inkey List, shout outs to you for making a great turmeric moisturizer. I think this is really unique and interesting for a science-based skincare brand that actually made a turmeric moisturizer, because you don't see this really with science-based skincare. You normally see this with organic skincare brands, natural or clean beauty skincare brands that really hone in on moisturizers that are that have turmeric in them. So I really like the fact that they did this. This does have turmeric extract in it, so it is really potent. So if you have never smelled turmeric or turmeric extract, it will be a new experience for you. So I'm just letting you know this is really potent with the smell. It's not scented with any fragrance, it's just the smell of the turmeric. Turmeric is a loud scent, it's very fragrant. The turmeric root is very fragrant as well, so the extract is going to be fragrant as well as the powder. If you've had turmeric powder and you're like, well, mine wasn't fragrant, 9 out of 10 your turmeric powder is probably old and you need to get some more. And if you just bought it, then, well, you know, I mean, I have nothing else to say. You may want to contact your grocery store or the company about why your turmeric don't smell really spicy and pungent the way this moisturizer does smell. So it will give you a scent. Other than that, I think this is a wonderful moisturizer. If you're looking to help aid in reducing the appearance of dark scars, this moisturizer will be wonderful for that. My skin does look way brighter when using this turmeric moisturizer at night. I just love this stuff so much. This is really one of the Inkey List hidden gems that I'm shocked no one really talks about. Another one of my favorite moisturizers from the Inkey List is their hemp moisturizer. I think this is a hidden gem, a really underrated product that I don't hear a lot about. If you watch my videos, you know how I harp on hemp oil as being a wonderful oil, specifically for oily skin, acne prone skin. It's a very dry oil that penetrates the skin. It's actually one of the oils that I put in Miracle Glow oil. If you have never ever had hemp oil or you've never tried hemp oil, I suggest you try this hemp moisturizer. Days where I'm really oily, I really enjoy this moisturizer. It doesn't dry down matte, but it doesn't dry down shiny and glossy or greasy to me. It dries down just right. And I found that when wearing this moisturizer under my makeup really looked really well. It looked the way I wanted, and I didn't have as bad of texture as I would when I didn't apply this without my makeup. I also find that I sort of wear this moisturizer when I'm not wearing makeup. I like to take this moisturizer when I'm going places. I really enjoy this moisturizer. It's a wonderful hydrating moisturizer. It's great for people who don't like greasy moisturizers, and it lasts all all day. However, you will need a thermal spray or you will have to reapply it. But I did like the fact that this moisturizer doesn't give you any product buildup. It doesn't make your skin feel sticky or anything like that. And I will say a little does go a long way, but I like to slather this on because anything with hemp in it, I'm all for. I am a huge proponent of hemp oil, and anything with hemp in it, I get really excited. So you guys know, I do want to say this. There is a con to this moisturizer. It smells horrific. When it's inside of the tube, it smells like rotten plankton. So if you don't know, it smells like, if you don't know what plankton is, I mean, I guess I could say like rotten milk, sort of. But then when you slather it on your skin, it smells nice. It smells like hemp. It smells like the nutty scent. So I'm kind of confused, Inkey List. What's going on with the smell with this moisturizer? The scent dries down very nutty. But if you don't even want to deal with it, then this may not be the moisturizer for you, girl. I'm just letting you know. But I think people who have combination skin, specifically very oily days, I think you will love this moisturizer. I think this moisturizer is also wonderful for people in humid climates. I probably am going to put this away until monsoon season come. I am really excited to let this moisturizer shine on my face during monsoon season. The next hidden gem product we are going to talk about is Inkey List Snow Mushroom Gel Moisturizer. I don't understand why this doesn't have a lot of reviews. I don't understand why this moisturizer is so like hidden. It's literally like applying aloe vera gel to your skin, except it's not aloe vera gel. This moisturizer gel is so clear, it's so thin, it's like hyaluronic acid or whatever hydrating serum you want to apply to your skin. It's literally like that. It dries down nice, and it can be layered with absolutely anything, and you will love it. If you have a thick SPF but you want a moisturizer that you can layer with, this one is that. It's perfect for all skincare types. I really don't understand why this Snow Mushroom moisturizer does not have as much shine as it should, because this baby right here has so many wonderful benefits to it. The fact that when I was popping my blackheads and my pimples, yes, I do it, don't judge me, that this really helps my inflammation on my skin. I use any peel off mask that causes inflammation, any type of chemical exfoliation or physical exfoliation that cause a lot of inflammation or redness to my skin. This mushroom hydrating serum, I call it a serum, has really helped with cooling properties. It dries down nicely. When I would apply this moisturizer, literally I would forget to layer with other things because I have a toddler and sometimes she'll interrupt my skincare ritual, and my face still feels hydrated, and there are literally products in there. I'm like, oh, I forgot sunscreen, oh, I forgot another moisturizer. This is a really great moisturizer, and I just don't understand why it doesn't have as much shine as it should. This is really one of Inkey List great hidden gems that I really think should get more props than it does. If you have sensitive skin, I think you'll love it. It has a wonderful cooling effect to it. If you have sunburn, any type of windburn, any type of irritation, inflammation to your skin, redness, soreness to your face, this Snow Mushroom moisturizer serum, I really find it to be a serum, will literally shine and it layers nicely. So if you have sort of thick moisturizers that can cause product buildup when you layer too much, I think you will find layering with this one, it layers really nicely and it goes on thin. And I find that this one is perfect for all climates in my personal opinion. Now, I don't know about will it shine in the summertime, but right now it's doing a wonderful job shining. And if you are a person, like I mentioned, and I just want to reiterate this point, that if windburn, sunburn, literally the skin cracks and it flakes, and this moisturizer will be wonderful for that. Also, if you have a sunburn and too many moisturizers your skin can't take, this one is very thin. It's almost like a serum, but it's very hydrating. It's literally, to me, like applying aloe vera gel to your skin. That is how I see this moisturizer. Next product that I think is a wonderful hidden gem that I don't understand why it doesn't have any more shine. Honestly, to me, this is a very innovative product that I have not seen from many skincare brands that are in the affordable realm, and Inkey List did it with their Brighten-i eye cream. I use this every day. I actually was supposed to review another eye cream that I love, but and it was more expensive than this one. It's just sitting in the jar. I stopped using it, and I love that eye cream. This eye cream is so amazing. Not only does it brighten your eye, under your eye, it hydrates under your eye. The fact that the Inkey List can make an affordable product that has this hard, cold stone on it. Can you guys see that? Let me do a close-up. Can you guys see that? I've seen this with eye creams before, but not as affordable as the Inkey List has it. But normally eye creams that do have the sort of metal stone to it, they literally have it as a ball. This one literally contours to your eye shape, and normally brands, even higher end brands with eye creams like that, when they contour to your shape, they don't use metal. They tend to use plastic. This stays cool all the time, and the Inkey List really made a wonderful eye cream with this Brighten-i eye cream. Inkey List, this is an amazing product. I hope you don't discontinue this product. Okay, finally, the last product we will be talking about is the Inkey List Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It may not be a hidden gem because it could be the typical ordinary product or other brands products, but I'm telling you right now, this one is one of the best hyaluronic acid serums I've ever tried. If you've ever had problems with hyaluronic acid serums causing dryness, product buildup, they're hard to layer because of the product buildup, the ball up, the white cast, the flakiness on your skin, I really suggest you give Inkey List product a try. A little bit goes a long way. This hyaluronic acid literally feels like your face is dripping in water. Your face doesn't necessarily have to be damp with this hyaluronic acid serum, and it layers nicely with other skincare products. I actually like this serum because even if you use too much of the Inkey List hyaluronic acid serum, what I notice is still doesn't give me product buildup. It doesn't give me white flakes. It doesn't give me a white cast. When I've layered it with moisturizers, I've never had that problem, even when I use too much. You guys know I have a big head. Half y'all heads are smaller than mine. That's why y'all be saying I be using too much. Do I fight with y'all? No, I don't fight with y'all. I just accept that y'all head is not bigger than mine. So even when I'm using more product than I should and I layer it down my neck, I notice that this product dries down very dewy. I have expensive hyaluronic acids. I've reviewed Dr. Barbara Strom's hyaluronic acid on this channel. Side note, and I still use that hyaluronic acid to this day because, you know, I paid a lot of money for it. I am going to use that hyaluronic acid, and that's a $300 hyaluronic acid serum. That serum is $300. It flaked on me too. If you guys haven't seen the review, see the review. It flaked on me too. But this one has never ever flaked on me. I don't understand why the Inkey List hyaluronic serum doesn't get as much shine as it should. It's one of the best hyaluronic serums that I have personally come into contact with in a long time and have never experienced flakiness. So if you're a person who is really huge proponent on using hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine, I really think you are going to enjoy the Inkey List product, especially if you have dry skin, sensitive skin, skin that tends to be combination dry, and most hyaluronic acids flaked on you, balled up on you. You will really love this hyaluronic acid serum. It's just amazing. Now, with that being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your favorite Inkey List products down below. What are your hidden gems? Have you tried any of their skincare products? Do you love them? Let me know in the comments down below. With that being said, you guys, I really want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.